Welcome to Best 5 Products. The best LEGO sets is probably one of the most beloved toys for people of all ages. But with so many sets available, finding the perfect one can be a challenge. In this video, we'll explore some of the top LEGO sets, considering factors like price, build complexity, and playability, helping you make an informed decision for yourself or as a gift. Number 5. LEGO Iron Man Hall of Armor 76125 Building Kit. This set lets you build Tony Stark's iconic Hall of Armor. It includes a rotating podium and detachable modules. You can combine and stack them in various ways. The set features multiple Iron Man suits, including 1 Malawian Kwacha, 5 Malawian Kwachas, 41 Malawian Kwachas, and 50 Malawian Kwachas. It also includes Tony Stark's face and hair elements. Get ready to suit up. This fun Marvel building toy also includes a posable Igor suit mech. It has a minifigure cockpit. It's ready for action. The Hall of Armor lab measures over 5 inches high, 13 inches wide, and 6 inches deep. The Igor suit mech measures over 3 inches high. It's a great size for display and play. This 524-piece set is perfect for kids aged 7+ and Marvel fans of all ages. It can be combined with other LEGO sets. It's great for imaginative play. Recreate exciting action scenes from the Marvel Avengers movies. This buildable superhero toy brings the action to life. It's a must-have for any fan. What we like. This set lets you build Tony Stark's iconic Hall of Armor. It comes with various Iron Man suits and action figures, allowing for dynamic play. If you're looking for a set that combines building with imaginative role-playing and action, this is a great choice. What people say. I received this as a gift for my 15th birthday. It's defiantly one of my favorite LEGO sets in my collection. A great display piece for sure. Minifigures, Iron Man Mk1, very detailed front and back. Accurate to the suit Tony wore in Iron Man 1. The headpiece is different than the others as it doesn't open in front, but it didn't open in the movie either. Iron Man Mk5, accurate to the Iron Man 2 movie. I love the colors of this one, silver and red, a change from the classic yellow and red Iron Man figures. Iron Man Mk41, another clever minifigure addition to this set. I'm not sure if this armor is in any of the movies, but it's an extremely unique addition to my Iron Man armor collection. Iron Man Mk50, the suit from Avengers Infinity War. I wish they would have added to or replaced this one with the suit from Avengers Endgame, but overall this is a beautiful minifigure. Looks exactly like the one in Infinity War. This suit does include Tony Stark's face. The other ones only have a transparent minifigure head with no details. I also like the hairpiece that is included with this set. Very few Iron Man LEGO sets come with a hairpiece for Tony. Outriders, detailed torso, no print on the legs. Both identical to each other and to the ones in the Infinity War LEGO sets. The build, rather simple but well done. It can be rearranged in many ways. The blue Igor robot is odd, but very posable, and can fit a minifigure inside of it. I especially like the computer desk as it makes a nice addition to the set. Genuine LEGO at good price. Gave several as gifts. Well received. Not a huge build and can be done in sections. Also has a brick picker tool in case of mistakes in the build. Good for a moderate level builder of some skill, experience, and age. Nice selection of minifigs comes with it. Number 4. LEGO Technic Chevrolet Corvette ZR142093. Get ready to build the LEGO Technic Chevrolet Corvette ZR1. This set lets you experience the thrill of an iconic supercar. It's a fantastic building experience for all ages. This LEGO Technic set is a 2-in-1 model. You can rebuild it into a hot rod replica. It offers 2 exciting builds in one set. The model features a large rear wing, for tailpipes, and black spoked rims. It also includes working steering and visible moving V8 pistons. This car is packed with realistic details. The Chevrolet Corvette ZR1 model is over 3 inches high, 11 inches long, and 4 inches wide. The hot rod model is over 3 inches high, 9 inches long, and 4 inches wide. It's a great size for display. With 579 pieces, it's perfect for boys and girls aged 9+ and for fans of all ages. This set can be combined with other LEGO sets for even more creative building possibilities. What we like. This LEGO Technic set lets you build a detailed Chevrolet Corvette ZR1. It features a working steering and a visible V8 engine, offering an authentic building experience. If you like cars and appreciate intricate engineering, this model is perfect for you. What people say. The LEGO instructions were excellent, and my almost 8-year-old son had no trouble assembling this model. It's a bigger car and it took him 2 days on and off to complete it. He had fun with the special details in this design, such as the moving pipes, foldable bumper that goes up high, and shaped roof panels. The final product looks realistic. It made a great addition to his collection of LEGO cars. Comasai Com Speed Champions ESEFOI o Primero Technic que Compre. Show de bola, a montegem comica a envolver a propria mecânica dos automovies, como a transmissão de movimentação dos pistos para o giro das rodas traseiras. Number 3. LEGO City Holiday Camper Van 60283. This fantastic set features a fully furnished interior with an opening side panel and removable roof. It's perfect for imaginative vacation role-play, letting kids create their own camping adventures. The set comes with Mom, Dad, and a baby minifigure. The caravan setting includes a table, kitchenette, and sleeping area, providing everything needed for a fun family trip. This set includes a baby carrier, camping stove, pan with fried egg, croissant, smoothie maker, baby bottle, camera, and cups. These accessories enhance the play experience, making it even more realistic. Kids can drive the camper van to their favorite location, find a good spot to camp, and unpack the outdoor furniture. Then, they can enjoy a delicious family picnic in the great outdoors. The set includes a printed building guide and instructions plus, which is part of the free LEGO Building Instructions app. This makes it easy for kids to build and enjoy their new toy. LEGO City Great Vehicle Toy Cars make great birthday or Christmas gifts for boys and girls. Through fun scenarios, it depicts real life, providing hours of entertainment. What we like. This set features a camper van with a furnished interior, perfect for vacation roleplay. It includes family minifigures and accessories to enhance the play experience. If you have young children who enjoy imaginative play and love the idea of family adventures, they will love it. What people say. The pieces are still manageable for little hands, but the design offers a fun challenge that helps develop fine motor skills and problem-solving abilities. The set has a nice balance of fun construction and playful interaction, making it a well-rounded choice for kids who enjoy both building and creative play. Nice details like coffee maker, donuts, egg, baby and bottle and baby carrier. Number 2. LEGO Captain America and Hydra Face-Off 76189. Introducing the LEGO Marvel Captain America and Hydra Face-Off set. This exciting playset is designed for young heroes, sparking imagination and building skills. It's the perfect way to kickstart their superhero journey. The set features Captain America and a Hydra agent minifigure. Kids can recreate epic battles from the Marvel Universe. They can decide who will win. Build Captain America's powerful motorcycle. The set includes a buildable motorcycle and a disc shooter. It's designed with easy-to-follow steps, perfect for young builders. Kids can push Captain America on his motorcycle and battle the Hydra agent. They can act out scenes from Avengers, Age of Ultron. This set provides endless opportunities for imaginative play. With a large starter brick and simple instructions, this set is perfect for kids aged 4 and up. The motorcycle is perfectly sized for small hands. It's easy to pick up and play with. The motorcycle is over 4 inches long, ready for epic adventures. This set is a great gift for any young Marvel fan. It's time to build and play. What we like. This set features Captain America facing off against a Hydra agent. It includes a motorcycle and a disc shooter for action-packed play. If you are looking for a simple and fun set for younger builders to boost their confidence, this is the one. What people say. He puts them together easily with the instruction manual and takes them apart just to put them together again. My 5-year-old was mostly able to assemble this by himself, he didn't have much experience. The combo of superhero with vehicle and bad guy with launcher is perfect. Tudo que vem de Lego e bom e de qualidade, Saya M. Filmes, Desenos y esas pequeñas de monte que fico automo como capitao America contra es fracas du mal o agente de Hydra, pra colisionar y en feeder o corto y automo y lego y fido pra todas as Hydra, gosti y muito. Number 1. LEGO Icons Ghostbusters ECTO 110274 Car Kit. This is a stunning replica of the famous ECTO-1 car. It's based on the 1959 Cadillac Miller Meteor Futura duplex. The details are spookily good. The car features working steering and a trapdoor with a ghost trap. It also has an extending gunner seat and a moving ghost sniffer. You will be amazed by it. This is a delight for adult Ghostbusters, Afterlife fans. It includes the proton pack, which swivels out of a side panel. It's perfect for trapping ghouls and ghosts. Check out the scissor seat mechanism that extends and rotates the rear seat. There are other intriguing elements attached in unique ways. It's a great experience to build it. This LEGO model car boasts Ghostbusters paranormal detection equipment. Individual details are explained in the collector's guide. The whole set is very detailed. This ECTO-1 model car gives hours of enjoyment and building experience. It will appeal to any adult who loves model cars or Ghostbusters. It's a great gift for anyone. This LEGO model car kit makes a fantastic birthday or Ghostbusters Christmas gift. It's perfect for men, women, or anyone looking for a next LEGO project. Get it now. What we like. This set is a stunning replica of the iconic Ghostbusters ECTO-1 car. It features working steering and a ghost trap, offering a nostalgic building experience. If you are a fan of Ghostbusters and enjoy detailed model building, it is a must-have for your collection. What people say. The details in the model are amazing. There are some really clever building techniques to achieve different mechanics and shapes. The finished ECTO-1 is now the centerpiece on our dining room table. It looks fantastic and is a great conversation starter. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.